In this video, I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app. Enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. When installation will be done, we'll be able to open our app. From here, we'll need to click on Get Started, select the account you want to use for this app. Click on this plus button, join a class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and when it's done, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.